Paila. Ako ang best friend, Sir Jesrel Superalis Puentevilla. Ako ang tukong pagtahod sa tuang halamdong Vice Mayor sa lungsod sa Dinas, the Honorable Nelson Macarate. Atong palakpakan. Kauban nato karon diri ato ang mga partner agencies. We have here Sir Saavedra from Bureau of Fire, our local youth development officer of the municipality of Dinas, Sir Montre Samin, the school principal of Dinas Central Elementary School, Sir R.R. Racuma. Ako usap pagtahod sa tuang very supportive na punong barangay sa Barangay Poblasyon, the Honorable Cristina Chavez. Kauban sa itong mga konsiyo sa barangay, we have here tonight Honorable Ilma Binolirao, Honorable Namrayda Jamang, Honorable Rooney Baluarte, of course, Honorable Edward Alire, Honorable Pedro Bernante, ug sa mga absent karong gabi na Honorable Richard Aguirre, Honorable Jeffrey Glam, moro to'y absent. No more absent, no? And of course, ako ang Sangguniang Kabataan Council, we have here tonight Honorable Musbit Musa, Honorable Haidal Samin, Honorable Aprix Gabato, Honorable Ariel Pahuta, Honorable Jasin Alos, sa kuang Sangguniang Kabataan Treasurer, Miss Marilo Pausanos, sa kuang SK Secretary, Ma'am Rica Cabuco. So, mga iyo ko gamay oras para maminaw kay Burag. Last na nako ni nga mo storya sa unani nga kadaghan nga tawo. Sa akong pagka-SK chairman sulod sa 5 ka tuig, daghan kong mga gitake aside, especially love life, pero char lang. Bitaw, kaya ako ang gugma, ako ang oras, ug ako ang panahon, akong gigahin para sa kabatanunan sa Barangay Poblasyon o sa mga katawan sa Barangay Poblasyon. As my term as Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman comes to an end, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for the opportunity to serve you and to be part of your lives. These past years had been a journey filled with growth, challenges, and triumphs, and I am immensely grateful for the trust and support you have given to me. Despite of the issues and battling those uncertainties, but your trust and support, I was able to overcome it with you all. You were still there supporting me whatever hardship occurred onto me. Without you, this journey will never as miserable it is. I started this journey with the tagline, Ludi ng Kabataan, Ludi sa pagbabagong inaasam. With a vision to create a positive change and make a meaningful impact on the lives of my fellow youth and the community as a whole. Throughout my term, I have strived to be your voice, your advocates, and your partners in addressing the issues concerned that matter most to you. I am proud of the project and initiative I have undertaken, from the community cleanup drive, disaster preparedness training, giving financial educational assistance, gender and development, drug symposium, recognizing the student leader from Dinas National High School, PGMIT, and Dinas Central Elementary School, HIV/AIDS awareness, mental health campaign, bloodletting, sports activity, distribution of printers to Dinas National High School, Dinas Central Elementary School, and the PGMIT, distribution of multivitamins, cash assistance among drug surrenderies, and many more. Each step I took was fueled by the belief that together we can create a brighter future for everyone. My time in office had taught me the values of unity and collaboration. I am grateful for the support and cooperation I received from the community leaders, government officials, and fellow youth organization, especially the LGBTQIA+ of Dinas, the PNP, BFP, DOH, and the Rural Health Unit. Your partnership had been instrumental in achieving our goals, and I hope that this connection will continue to thrive even after my term. While my roles as Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman may be ending, but my commitment to serve and to love this community will endure. I am encouraging the incoming batch of SK leaders to build upon the foundation we have laid and carry the torch of progress forward. Maura dyan na akong hangyo. Nga manghinaot ko sa musunod na ako nga Sangguniang Kabataan sa barangay poblasyon, iyang ipadayon kung unsa ang akong nasugdan. In parting, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my family, Nanay Arlene, Ate Danilis, o mga pag-umangkon. Nasayod sila kung unsa ko, kung naa ako'y program nga buhaton. Halos dili na ko kauli sa mong balay. Tungod kay dali ko matulog sa opisina namo sa SK para mahimong successful ang among event nga buhaton. Through sleepless night, kakapoy, kalipong, but still akong gipadayon kay tungod mao ni ako ang gipanumpaan last 2018. Of course, to my friends, the Sangres of PGMIT, Manong Bingbing, Poy Poy, Noy Noy, and my Starwish family, ug sa ko ang mga estudyante sa PGMIT, nga very supportive sa ko ang mga program and activities. Your unwavering encouragement give me the strength to face every challenge and remain steadfast in my dedication to serve. As I bid farewell to my roles as Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman, I filled with hope for the future of this community. I believe in the potential of each and every one of you, and I know that together you will continue to build a better, more inclusive and vibrant community. Thank you for allowing me, and together with my Sangguniang Kabataan officials and functionaries, to be part of your lives, for trusting us to represent you, and for giving us memories that will last a lifetime. Daghang memories ang di na ko malimtan isip Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman. Ilabi na sa panahon sa COVID-19. Base ng ubang SK Chairman sa laing barangay na natulog. But ako, ang dili na ko makalimtan isip inyong SK Chairman sa barangay poblasyon ning adto og sementeryo alas 12 sa gabi para maglubong sa amo ang kabarangay nga namatay tungod sa COVID-19. Naa ang kahadlok, kahulba, basin matapdan mi sa COVID-19. And naabot po ng panahon nga nag-positive ko sa COVID last 2021. Daghan kaayong bashers, pero I don't care. The bashers, thank you so much. Kay tungod ninyo, inyo pa kong gidasig nga mubuhat og nindot nga mga programa para sa mga kabatanunan sa barangay poblasyon. This is your Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman, Daryl Torres Tayanes, officially signing off as your Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman. Kaya wala na may activity tungod kay election ba naman. But mind you, ladies and gentlemen, kung unsa akong nasugdan sumo 2018 tama 2023, akong ipadayon sa pipila ka tuig. This is again your Sangguniang Kabataan, Daryl Torres Tayanes, your future barangay kagawad o barangay poblasyon. Daghang salamat.